Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a wash and retwist video. I actually just got out the shower maybe like 20-30 minutes ago, so my hair's still pretty wet, of course, like, well, damn, I'll say. But yeah, so if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm actually gonna start incorporating my newfound veganism into my channel. So, oh, and also to all my subscribers that I have gained so far, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. This is very obvious, but you just want to make sure that you get your locks all nice and saturated. Being as though mine are thick, I have to, take a little bit of extra time to make sure that it does get completely saturated and wet. So now I'm going in with my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Shampoo. It's probably going to be the last full shampoo that I'll have with this, just because it's almost out. But it had a good run. It smells very good. But I think I'm going to go back to something a little bit more, I don't know, earthy, if that makes sense. So here you're just seeing the hair dye that's just been in my hair coming out. I did not use permanent hair dye, so of course at some point it's going to come out with every wash. So this wash, a lot of it came out. Make sure you get in there real good, scratch it up, and then go ahead and rinse that bad boy out. That's round number 1. So this is round number 2, of course, and we're just gonna rinse, lather, and we're gonna repeat. So I did this a total of 3 times, I believe. It was either 3 or 4, just to make sure that I completely, get my hair nice and clean. Want to get it nice and clean. Freshly washed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with spraying my hair up. And I'm gonna spray like I never sprayed before. Do you hear me? Like my dog is looking at me with such judgment right now, and I don't know why. Like I'm really just minding my business. What you doing? And always make sure that when you are oiling your hair should be damp, y'all. I think like water's like the sealant. I don't know, something like that. So you know. Okay. Oh, okay. Do you feel me? So that was one that I just found. I'm gonna use some of this too, and I don't want to need more coconut oil in this. I'm trying not to be using too much product. Y'all see, obviously, how much I just, I don't need that. So, I'm gonna shake up my bootleg ass tea tree oil and just probably too much. Also, let's not forget my little brush comb thingy that I'm using too. This is a staple product. I actually think this is for edges. I'm going to be doing this retwist. I'm going to be doing this retwist with no clips. Yeah. So. Now, when doing this method, you don't want to, nor do you need to twist super tight. So if it looks like I'm twisting really tight, I'm not. Just be gentle with it. Just make sure that it has, you know, like a little loop, and then you're good to go. And I found that it does help that if you, you know, when you're doing this with no clips, just use a ponytail holder to hold everything in place. It really does help. And you'll see in a little bit what I mean by that. Sometimes you do have to, you know, do a little pulling to get the locks apart if they are stuck, but make sure that your hair is definitely wet before you do any pulling. Also, something that you will notice is that I do not palm roll all the way down my lock. It's just never something that I really cared to do when I started. So I just never really did it. I just pretty much roll the top and that's it. So here you can see what I mean by the ponytail holder. Literally just put your hair in a low ponytail while you're doing it. That way everything stays in place so your little loops don't come out or anything. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so it all looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Guys, so it's been about 5 days since I washed and retwisted my hair. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like.